Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a conditional question in Google Forms. So I'll first create a blank form. Let's name this videos feedback. Okay, that is what we'll go to name this, videos feedback. And let's close this theme editor. Now, the first question is, do you like our videos? So it's going to be a multiple choice. They can only choose one answer. They're also suggesting for us, but I'll just go ahead and type this in. Okay, so it's yes or it's a no. There we go. And now let's add another question. So if they say yes, the form will be submitted. I'll show you how to set that up. And if they say no, we're going to ask them for feedback. Please give feedback. And I'll change this one to paragraph. Okay, if you want, you can also click on these three dots and click on response validation to set character limits. Okay, if you want a maximum character count, you can set that up, but I don't want that for now. What I want to show you is how to do the conditional question. So this question right here, I'll click on these three dots, okay, and then click on go to section based on answer. So if they say yes, I want them to submit the form. So I'll toggle this and choose this one. And if they say no, we'll let them continue to the next section and we'll make this one a required question. This will not be required. Okay, only if they say, well, if they say no is when they'll be going to answer this one. Okay, and this one is an asterisk. Really that easy and simple. And when you're done, come here and click on publish. Okay, and you are able to copy and share this link to the form with anyone. Really that easy and really that simple.